Get tuned in with the toaster.
Look at the good-looking crew I have behind me. Some of Canada's top snowboarding females. Today we'll be diving into the world of women's pro snowboarding. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and set your adrenaline meter to high. Down we go!
I couldn't get her out of my mind, and now I can get her out of my life.
Top of Blackcomb Mountain here at Rendezvous. We'd like to thank Blackcomb for giving us this great terrain and Mother Nature for this great weather. Over to Amy Gorham here. Amy, what kind of advice can you give to shredders of tomorrow?
I think the best advice I would give would be to say, move to a big mountain and ride as much as possible.
Now I wish we never met. You got me running in circles.
Leah, what got you into snowboarding?
Well, I looked like a lot of fun, and then I decided to go up Seymour, and I saw boys hiking up to the peak, so I followed them and just copied them, and it was fun. I don't know.
Susie, you're involved in some snowboard camps. Why don't you tell us about them?
It's fun, it's great. The girls learn a lot, and they leave with so much confidence, and it's a really good time. I love working with them. It's called MGT Snowboard Camp, www.mgtsnowboardcamp.com.
Hey, could I be a boy toy at your camp?
No, you can't come. You're not allowed. Only girls.
What do I need to do?
Well,
Come on, give me a
you
break.
can take off your shirt and rake, and I don't know, but only if your shirt's off, you know.
You want to see the jungle?
No! It could be a water.
You got me running in circles. You got me hanging by a thread.
Tara, you spent some time at Nagano competing. You've also gone to Salt Lake City as a host. The big talk of today is the Vancouver Whistler Olympic bid.
It would be awesome if Vancouver Whistler got the bid and were to host the Olympics in 2010. It would really promote the sport a lot more. Not that really Whistler needs it, because it's kind of the place to be in Canada for snowboarding. Our national team, from the time that I did the Olympics in 1998, went from me coaching myself prior to the Olympics to now an established team, and there's still a lot of growing pains happening with the Canadian Snowboard Federation, but it's working its way out. We're getting some funding, people are getting on board and actually really supporting the sport, and it's a lot more legitimate.
Now it's time to throw to the random golden toast question. If you could pick any profession for a day, what would it be?
Any profession? I would love to be a pro surfer. Move to the beach for a little while, surf every day.
And throw to Leah.
I want to be a professional motocross rider that can do double backflips. That's it.
I want to be a ballerina. Just because, I don't know, I think they're graceful and beautiful, and it would be fun to be in the Nutcracker.
Okay, we've got a Nutcracker here.
I would want to be in the Cirque du Soleil.
Oh,
That would be rad.
I love the circus. Yeah. Go to switch. Say, I'm looking at myself as a young female on to switch. And I'm thinking of getting into pro snowboarding. What do I have to do?
Shred hard.
Yeah, and let your riding talk for you.
Things are getting crazy. I mean, 3 girls under 16 just landed 900s. I love it.
I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. It's been great sessioning with these girls today. Stay tuned next time, where the action gets faster and crazier. Thanks a lot, girls.
Woo! Take it right